Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn how to draw slope in orthographic. So what we will do, we'll take this sum. Length is 50, height is 30 plus 10, 40 and width is 45. So first we will draw a layout. We are drawing in first angle. So this is how the layout will come. So I'm drawing layout. Now after that, when you start slope, always remember, so draw that slope first. In this case, what is important? Drawing this slope. Now in this, if you see this slope, this slope, this slope is same inclination. So it's very important to draw the slope. Now to draw the slope, how much is this? 15. So I will take 15 from here. How much is this height? 10. And how much it goes inside? 10. So I will draw that slope first. So remember, whenever you come across any problem which has a slope, so we'll draw that slope first, and then we'll draw this. And how much is this height? 25. So I'll go up by 25, I will draw a line. So this is how front view will come. Now, when you want to draw top view, you'll see this part, right? This is 15 by 20. So that we can draw very conveniently. But what about this part? This part you won't be able to see because this length is not mentioned. How will you get this length? So this length you will get it from front view. So from here you project. I'll draw with a different pen. See this. So this rectangle, this X part is here. So this length is this. So you project from here and this is how you will get. And this part, right? 10. So 10 from here you draw a line. So what will happen? This slope, you'll be able to see again. See this same L shape will come here also. If you're drawing side view, it's very simple. It's rectangle and this L shape. You can take height from here. So this is how side view will appear. So what is important over here? Drawing this slope. Now if you see the next sum, in this also length, width and height is 50, 50, 50. So let's take, if I draw layout. Okay. Now how much is this? 30. Now they haven't mentioned how much from here, how much from here. So in orthographic, we will always assume 50 minus 30, 20. So 10, 10 on each side. So remember, you take 10 from here, 10 from here, and you draw slope. So this is how it will come. When you see from the top, it will be rectangle like this. There will be three rectangles. This rectangle, the other rectangle, and the middle one. And in side view, it will appear as a rectangle only. So remember, slope is very important in orthographic. So whenever you come across slope, always draw the slope first. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.